Welcome guys, today we're gonna check out this 1971 Volkswagen Super Beetle. It has been fully restored to the factory settings. This is the closest you can get as it was coming out from the dealership back in 1971. Everything has been addressed on this car and it's in really good condition. We left that mystery spot sticker there, decal, because it came with the car, but everything else is brand new. It has brand new seals, gaskets, mirrors, windshield wipers, brand new wiring harness. The engine has been rebuilt on this car. All the lighting is new. Trim, the bumpers, everything on this car has been redone. It's in great shape. It came out really good. As you can see, it's in great shape. I have driven this car already several times in the freeway and it runs really good. Pretty reliable car. You can see here the trunk, everything has been redone. It has a brand new gas tank. The instrument, like the odometer, has been rebuilt. And you can see here the wiring, all brand new wiring, brand new gas tank, brand new glove compartment. All the attention to detail has been done to this car. You can see here the flooring with quality welding and repainted. As well, sound deadening material was installed on the flooring, on the siding as well. Here you can see the interior. The original combination was black and orange, but we decided to go with this combination. It has a factory radio that is connected to a Bluetooth system, which has these powerful speakers in the back and sounds really good. This car is ready to go, and as you can see, it's in really good condition. This car has a brand new wiring harness. All the lighting and the engine was rebuilt. As you can see here, it's the engine rebuild process. Now this is installed and you can see him running here, and it runs really smooth. We have tested it several times on the highway and it's super fun to drive, super reliable engine, and everything was redone on this one. You can see a lot of new parts, and the carburetor was also rebuilt. All the attention to detail on this car. It's ready to go and it's super fun to drive. Well, I hope you guys like it. This is one quality restoration, another car that has been rescued, and I appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you for watching, and if you guys are interested in the car, let me know. We are thinking on selling it. We left the mystery spot sticker in the back, as I told you before, just for fun. But everything is new in this car. So hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching.